Hello student, I am Rashid Khan, your chemistry teacher from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Class 10. In case of chemistry, the chapter number 1 is given as chemical reactions and equations. So, in our surrounding, you have seen most of the time many actions and reactions is being done, but you don't know actually whatever the chemical reactions is going on. In case if there is a tea is boiling, that means for the at the time of cooking or for making a tea or for boiling of water or whenever the bicarbonate is added to the soda, there will be the effervescence produced. In such all cases there is a gas produced. The evaporation takes place or might be the different new product will be formed. Or in case of the iron, there will be a layer formed whenever it is kept outside of the house or into the place where there is a moisture and air are present. The milk is converting into the curd, or even there is a vinegar forms, how it is be converted, or might be there are different type of food material form, baked forms. So in case of a number of varieties of actions, there is a reactions takes place, that is called as chemical reactions. In case wherever the soda is added to the bicarbonate, so there will be the sodium bicarbonate will form, or you can say there will be the effervescence produces, a gas produces known as carbon dioxide. And whenever there is a chemical reaction takes place, in case if there is a water, tea plus sugar and milk are added in a appropriate manner, there will be tea form. When we make it tea, so we will have to add these ingredients and there will be the tea form. And the tea is completely different or differentiate by these raw materials. So whenever the new product always form, whenever the new product always form from their parent ones or from their primary materials. So such type of a reaction is called as chemical reaction. Or we can say in a chemical reaction always a new product will form with a different properties. When a new product is formed with a different properties, this reaction is called as chemical reactions. We know very well, in case wherever the iron kept outside, wherever the moisture and air are present, what would be the resultant? Iron kept in presence of air and there is a moisture present, what it will be formed? There will be Fe2O3. This is ferrous oxide, ferric oxide form, and this will be the called as rustic. So We know that whenever these reactions takes place, there will be always a new product formed. So such reaction is called as a chemical reactions. For proving these, there will be chemical reactions takes place. We'll have to move on. Next, another example. So in another example, when we are going to study about when there is a metals, if there is magnesium or any metal, when reacted with the oxygen, there will be the metal oxide get formed. What will be the form? Metal oxide or metallic oxide form. Suppose if there is a sodium, oxygen, so there will be the there will be a new product always be formed. If there is Mg2O2 plus Mg2 plus O2, then 2 MgO, magnesium oxide. So it is what? It is a metal oxide. Whenever the metal get reacted with the oxygen, it will always form their oxide. Whatever the ferrous, sodium, magnesium, aluminum. So these can be formed. They are oxides, metal oxide or metal oxide. So in that case, whenever we are going to react the oxygen, in case of a metal, it will always form their oxides. And in case of formation of precipitation of a chemical reaction, how the precipitate will form? So for the formation of a precipitation, we have to take some amount of what? Some amount of a potassium iodide. What it is? It is a potassium iodide. When the potassium iodide is kept into the conical flask and in which added the some amount of lead nitrate, when the some amount of having a lead nitrate, that is a PbNO3, what would be the exact formation takes place? KNO3 plus lead iodide. What will be the form? There will be the potassium nitrate plus lead iodide get formed. And you can see the lead nitrate. In case of a lead nitrate, when it converted into the lead iodide, there will be the some precipitations happens. Lead iodide, PPT, or it is called precipitation. Precipitation of lead iodide, it proves that there will be a chemical reaction takes place. Next, it is proved that there is a precipitate form of about lead iodide, and due to the presence of this, there will be a confirmation about there is a new product is formed. New product is called as potassium nitrate plus lead iodide. And something, if there is a new product is formed, the such type of a reaction are called as, this is called as the chemical reactions. These chemical reactions are, if you are going to study about more to evolution of gas during a chemical reaction, how the evolution of gas happens. if suppose taken some amount of zinc granules, zinc and added some amount of dilute hydrochloric acid. So here is zinc chloride is formed plus H2 gas is released. So here is H2 gas released, that indicated must be Zn chloride. This is the Zn chloride. Zinc chloride is formed and hydrogen gas is evolved. So it indicated that if there is any chemical reaction happens, so there is a evolution of gases takes place, and this can be done by the giving formula or giving these reactions. How we can know that there is a chemical reaction? We know very well, if there is a chemical substances get reacted to one another, there will be, if it is reacted to one another, they will always form a chemical reactions. Why? Because it is the chemical, or whenever the reactions takes place, if it is not the chemical reaction, the reaction could not be takes place. The chemical reactions always takes place in which sub special or unique type of substances which can be either the chemicals. That means the chemical reaction always takes place in case of a chemical substances. These chemical substances may be present in the form of different matter. So different form. So the different type of a material which can be added to one another and form a new product. This indicates that there will be a chemical reactions takes place or chemical changes occur. So the chemical reactions are the chemical changes whenever there is a chemical material are present or chemical substance are present. What are the different type of chemical reactions may be there? Here are the different type of chemical reactions like combination reactions. What are these the different reactions? The chemical reaction are of following types. What are these? First one is combination reaction. Second one is displacement reaction. Next one is double displacement reaction. Combination reaction, formation of precipitation. Next is change. Next is the combination reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, and double displacement reaction, formation of a new substance by making another way. What are these? Actually, these are the decomposition reaction. Decomposition reactions. Combination reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, decompositions reactions, and oxidation and reduction. These are the different type of reactions on which we have to discuss. Thank you for being here.